Hi, this video I'm going to show how to manage accounts in ERPLY Accounting. Whenever you go to any feature, you can see that there are some kind of accounts here. Uh, where you can change them is when you go to accounting and take chart of accounts. You can add as many accounts as you like here, but this is the chart of accounts made automatically by ERPLY Accounting. Whenever you are in a situation that you need a new account, you just need to add this account here and then reopen the feature you were using. So let's say that I have two bank accounts. Let's say that this is my main bank account is JPM Chase, and I also have one other account, and this is from Wells Fargo. I will add the account number, the account name. Now there are some types that I need to add. Assets, I need to add balance type. We are going to see these types after the chart of accounts. And we have three types, balance type, income statement type, and cash flow type, and also the account type. The first one is account type is used when adding the transactions. Whenever ERPLY Accounting, when you say that debit $100 cash, then if the account type is asset, it knows that the balance of this account should be increased. If the type is liabilities and it's debit, it should decrease. Now, it's not very advisable to change the type of account if you have already changed them, if it's already used. Sorry. Now, when we use these balance types, income statement types, and cash flow types, whenever you go to balance sheet, cash flow statement, or income sheet, then these types are used. When we look at the balance sheet, then money is taken from all of the accounts that have the balance type money. So this is the way you can manage your financial statements. Now you might have a question that can you import accounts? Yeah, you can. If you have your chart of accounts in the spreadsheet, you can just copy and paste it to ERPLY Accounting. But bear in mind that this will make system accounts wrong. So it is always advisable to let us, ERPLY Accounting team, to import the data. You can just send us the Excel file and we can then modify it and then upload this to ERPLY Accounting. I'm just showing now what goes wrong. When you go to settings, take initial data and see the system accounts, then you can see that whenever ERPLY Accounting needs an account that should be your main bank account, then it takes the JPM Chase. And when it needs receivables, it takes the accounts receivable. If you change it from here, then it will go to another account. Now, if you paste the values here, then you will override those accounts that already exist. So that's why ERPLY Accounting will then have another system accounts. So it's just that we need to import chart of accounts, and then we also need to import system accounts. Whenever you need to change accounts, just bear in mind, don't change the account type, and but everything else you can change it here, no worries. Now, one more thing. When you go to when you're not an accountant, and by default, ERPLY Accounting doesn't say that you're an accountant, because when you are an accountant, you will see expense account here. When you're not an accountant, you won't see it. How we differentiate it is when you go to user settings, you have the checkbox here, are you an accountant? When I log out and log in, and when I take it out, save it, then I have to log out and log in, and then I won't see expense account anymore in the purchase invoice. That's quite much about it. If you have any questions, let us know, accounting.software@erply.com, and I thank you for watching this video.